Namaste everybody, welcome to all. We'll have a very interesting session today. So it is actually a combination of mantras and yoga practices that we are going to see today. Okay, so we will begin with the prayer. First we start and we will do the practices. Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Vagatha Viva Sampruttam Vagatha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwaram Om Vagdevataye Namaha Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalashahastaya Sarva Amaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanataya Sri Mahavishnave Namaha. Okay, we begin with the tapping. So we have the energy centers called the chakras. So we start from the top, the center of the head, Sahasrara chakra. We will be using the tips of our fingers and the tapping will be very gentle. So we begin with the center, go towards the right, to the left, slowly go behind towards the center of the head and the behind back portion, behind the neck, gradually come to behind the ears. The points behind the ears are very important because it is connected to the vagus nerve, which is the very central nerve which passes through all the parts of our body, vital organs. Then we tap on the forehead. Then using the tips, close the fingers and gently rotate them like a massage, gentle massage. Press gently on the temples, the sides of the head, forehead, and everywhere we touch, we need to connect it to our breath. So that's where the healing happens. And then press inside the eyebrows, like the sides of the center, Agna Chakra side. Press below the eyebrows at the center point and then tap the eyebrows. Below the eyes. Then press the eyebrows using the two fingers, thumb and forefinger. Press, release. Front and back. These are all the points where our stress is accumulated. So we are releasing that stress. Okay. Then besides the nose, the sinus points, you can use middle and ring finger there. Then below the nose, below the lower lip, below the chin, the cheeks, the jaws, press them. The ears, the front portion of the tragus, just press it and open. Press, release, press, release. Then we can just pull the ear. 1, Then we go to the neck. Center portion to the heart. Just keep a hand at the heart and above the palm you just hit it. So it is gentle, it's not hurt. Then we go to the shoulders. Keep hand like a cup the palm and do. So that brings the suction effect, which is very good for the blood circulation. Just invert the hand and both sides you can. Other side from the neck. Invert the hand, opposite side. Then we go to the armpit and keep going down. Other side. The chest region. Stomach. Lower abdomen. We go to the thighs. Use the same cupping. Lower part of the leg as well. The foot. Just make a fist and touch this part of the hand to the back. Back from center to lower back. Okay, now just close your eyes. Focus on the breath and experience that tingling sensation, movement of blood. You can just sense it like a tingling feeling. Take few breaths. This is like very good blood circulation even to our whole body and the face especially. We can sense that heat and warmth. It's like a good face yoga, they say. Okay, next we move on to the stretching and we start from our eyes. So we look up, down, sides, right? We begin from top, up and down. 3 times each we will be doing. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Sides, right, left, right, left, right, left. Corners, right top corner, left, right, left, right, left. Other side, up, lower corner, left up corner, right lower, up, lower. Then we rotate clockwise. Take deep breath. Each moment we should connect with our breath. Three times. Last time. Now anti-clockwise direction. Inhale. Don't move the head, just the eyes. Now blink the eyes very fast. Blink, blink, blink. Relax. Once more. Relax. Last time. Relax. We can keep the eyes closed only. Now we move on to the jaws. So open and close the mouth and move towards right and left. Now slowly lift your head, the neck up and again open and close the mouth. Again backwards. Next, we will be chewing, like a chewing action we will do from the left to right. Now from right to left. To the center. Next we come to the neck. Up, down, up, down, up, down, right, center, left, center. Connect with your breath. Last time. Next we tilt the neck. Next we rotate from the clockwise. So it starts from the left. Inhale. Gently, very slowly rotate. Next, opposite direction. Last round. Sit. Next, we come to the shoulders. Lift up and take them behind. See, all the time we are busy bending the shoulders and looking down, whether it be phone or cooking or anything we do, we are always looking down. So we are moving it to the behind, backward direction. Last time. Then we come to the elbows. Keep your fingers, hands straight. 1, 2, 3. Sides. 1, 2, 3. Now we rotate them. 1, 2, 3. Opposite direction. Next, we come to the wrist. Next to the knuckles. 1, 2, 3. Then we completely close and open. Close, open, close, open. Bring the palms in, out, in, out, in, out, up, down, up, down. Again rotate anti-clockwise. Okay, now complete. We will stretch completely. Take the palms from bottom. Inhale. Stretch, stretch, stretch very tall. Stretch. And exhale. Again. Inhale. Stretch, stretch tall. and relax. Last time. Stretch tall. And relax. Next we come to the waist. So we come forward and backward just like cat cow pose that we do standing on our knees. This is like sitting on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we do sidewards bending. Take the support of hand. Look up. These are very gentle stretches which anybody can do from very kid from 5 years age to elders. Next, we twist the waist. Turn to the opposite direction. The head should be other side. Inhale and twist. Inhale, twist. One last time. Inhale. Next, we come to the legs. So, stretch. Clasp your hands below the knee. Stretch. 1, 2, 3. Other leg. 1, 2, and 3. Just tap the knees. Then the foot front, back, front, back, front, back. In, out, in, out, in, out. Rotate. 1, 2, and 3. Opposite direction. 1, 2, and 3. Wiggle fingers in, out, the toes. Next, we come to the, just take a few moments and focus on the breath. Now we come to the humming. So humming, as we all know, the Brahmari pranayam. So first we will simply chant without the hand movements. Now we do the Brahmari, that is close the tragus, that is small outer portions of the ears with the thumb, the 4 fingers above the eyebrows, and rest of the 3 fingers on the eyes and besides the nose. 3 times. Inhale. Now focus on that part of your body which is hurting, or there is some pain in the back or any place. Just if it is touchable, you can hold that place wherever there is pain or burning sensation and chant the hum for 3 times. Relax. Feel that part being healed. In the hum, there is the internal Om sound reverberating, which is the universal sound of creation. So, whatever is that part undergoing, there will be healing happening, regeneration of new cells growing there. So, that's how healing happens. There is the creation of new cells. Like this creation got created from the Om sound. Sound is the basic principle behind creation. So, using the sound, we are bringing the healing. Okay. Next, we move on to the practice of connecting with the 5 elements using the mantras. So, specific mantras are there for the 5 elements. So, we are all made up of the 5 elements, right? Earth, water, fire, air, and space. So, and we have the chakras, 7 chakras. From the lower chakra till the 5 numbers, Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi. These 5 are connected to the 5 elements. So we begin from the earth element, which is the lower part, the Mooladhara. Okay. So I am playing that audio, and we need to place our palms in a particular way and move them. So you just follow according to whatever I do. Let us now do a practice to connect with the 5 elements deeply. During the entire process, I will be chanting during our inhalations, and while exhalations, you will be chanting along with me. So we first begin with the Mother Earth, the earth element. Place your palms besides you, touching the ground. Feel the Mother Earth. So we begin here. Inhale. Om Lam Prithvivyai Namaha. Om Lam Prithvivyai Namaha. Inhale. Om Lam Prithvivyai Namaha. Om Lam Prithvivyai Namaha. Om Lam Prithvivyai Namaha. Om Lam Prithvivyai Namaha. Stay there with all the feelings of gratitude that you have towards Mother Earth. Feel how Mother Earth helps us to nourish us, gives us the support, the foundation to exist in this universe. Focus on the breath and the Mooladhara chakra. Next, we move on to the water element. It is connected to the Swadhisthana chakra in our body. Now place your palms at the lower abdomen. Connect deeply with the water element and start the inhalation as I chant, and during exhalation you may chant along with me. Om Vam Amritaya Namah. 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 Get connected to the water element. Feel energized. Feel how the water quenches our thirst, cleanses, purifies, makes us alive and energetic all the time. It's the blood flowing within our body that gives us that energy. Water is the essence of our life. Feeling deeply connected with gratitude. Next, we move on to the fire element. Now place your palms at the navel region, just above the navel. It is connected to the Manipura chakra, and we begin the chant. Inhale. Om Ram Agnaye Namaha. 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 Stay focused at the Manipura chakra and connect it with our breath. Feel gratitude towards the fire element, how it maintains the balance in our temperature, the warmth of the body. It helps to digest our food, makes us make better decisions in life. All the biochemical reactions and the movements in our body take place because of the fire element. Next, we move on to the air element. It is connected to the Anahata chakra. So place your palms now at the heart region. As we inhale, expand the palms, open them up towards the sides and chant internally. And while exhaling, chant out loud and bring back the palms to the heart region. Let's begin. Om Yam Vayave Namaha. 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 Feel connected to the air element. Focus on the breath, how it touches you. Feel energized. Feel that life force energy that enters through your breath and distributes throughout your body as 5 different pranas: prana, vyana, udana, samana and apana vayu, which makes this body function efficiently. Feel that gratitude for that life force energy flowing within you. Next, we move on to the space element. Now, from the heart region, bring your palms above your head as you inhale, and then while exhaling and chanting, bring your palms encircling your whole body from the sides and bring them back to the heart region. Let's begin. Inhale. It is connected to the Vishuddhi Chakra, the space element. Inhale. Om Ham Akashaya Namah. 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 Feel connected to the space element. Focus on the breath. Experience the space element, how it accommodates us in this universe, and also feel the internal space that brings us to calmness, peace, and gives us that serenity. Feel that inner space of silence. Feel the gratitude. Now feel all the 5 elements. Get connected to them. Feel how supportive they are. Let anything happen, the 5 elements are always with us. Feel that security, that they are always there for us. Feel that gratitude and surrender to the 5 elements. Gradually, rub your palm, place on your eyes 3 times.
Slowly open your eyes.
There is one more practice. So this is the Ayur Mantras practice where we are increasing the life energy and the well-being of all. So we are wishing that, and we are placing again different mantras. See, mantras are what? Actually, they are like the Devata Shaktis. They are the energies. So each sound that we take, it is a mantra. That is, it has the connection with the Devata behind it. And so that particular energy is activated within our body. So we chant mantras for different vayus in our body, chakshu, indriyas like eyes, ears, all those we'll be chanting. Now we shall do a practice called chanting Ayur mantras for vibrant health. So these mantras are from Krishna Yajurveda of Taittiriya Aranyaka. Please stand up, close your eyes, place the palms at the heart region. First we inhale, and I will be chanting during the inhalation process, and we inhale lifting our hands above our head, and then during exhalation you will join along with me the chant, and we roll the hands all over our body till our feet, and again bring the hands back to the heart region. Inhale, lifting your hands up. Om Ayurdhe. Bring your hands down, exhaling and chanting aloud. Om Ayurdhe. It makes a circle. Again, inhale. Om Ayurdhe. Om Ayurdhe. Hands back to the chest. Inhale. Om Ayurdhe. Om Ayurdhe. Hands back to the chest. Next, Pranandehi. Expand and open your hands to the sides as I chant. Inhale. Om Pranandehi. Exhaling, bring back the hands to the chest. Om Pranandehi. Inhale. Om Pranandehi. Om Pranandehi. Om Pranandehi. Om Pranandehi. Next, Apanandehi. You need to bend as we exhale and touch the abdomen, the lower abdomen, feeling the Apanavayu strengthened there. So, as we inhale, let your palms be on the chest, and while exhaling, we place the hands, the palms at the lower abdomen. Inhale. Om Apanandehi. Bend, exhaling. Om Apanandehi. Hands back to the chest. Om Apanandhe. Om Apanandhe. Om Apanandhe. Om Apanandhe. Now please be seated. Now it is Vyanandehi. Place your both hands on your laps and the thighs, and as we chant, fold all your fingers, join them, and as we exhale, release them. So inhale. Om Vyanandehi. Om Vyanandehi. Om Vyanandehi. Om Vyanandehi. Om Vyanandehi. Om Vyanandehi. Next, Chakshurdehi. Now as we inhale, place your hands on your eyes, cupping your eyes. And as we exhale, bring your hands back on your thighs. Om Chakshurdehi. Om Chakshurdehi. Om Chakshurdehi. Om Chakshurdehi. Om Chakshurdehi. Om Chakshurdehi. Now it is Shrotrandhehi. You need to cup your ears now as you inhale, and exhaling, chant along with me. Om Shrotrandhehi. Om Shrotrandhehi. Om Shrotrandhehi. Om Shrotrandhehi. Om Shrotrandhehi. Om Shrotrandhehi. Next, Manodehi. You need to place your palms on the forehead. Om Manodehi. Om Manodehi. Om Manodehi. Om
मनोधेहि ॐ मनोधेहि ॐ मनोधेहि. Next it is Vachandehi. So you need to roll your tongue and lift your head as we chant, and while exhaling you chant along with me. Om Vachandehi 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 Om Vachandehi. Next, Atmanam Dehi. Place your palms at your chest region, heart region, feeling the immense intelligence of our body which makes this body function efficiently. Om Atmanam Dehi 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 Om Atmanam Dehi. Next, Pratishtham Dehi, where it is the stability of all the processes that are happening in our body. So we place and bring everything to balance, both left and right, all the systems running in our body come to a balance as we chant the Pratishtham Dehi to all the processes that we have chanted. So in this we will be doing the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So as we inhale, I will be chanting throughout the process. Okay. So as we inhale, I will chant the mantra and you need to exhale from the right next, and then inhale from the right and exhale from the left. So we continue this for all the mantras. Om Ayurdhehi Om Pratishtham Dehi Om Ayurdhehi Om Pratishtham Dehi Om Pranam Dehi ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ प्राणं धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ अपानं धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ अपानं धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ व्यानं धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ व्यानं धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ चक्षुर्धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ चक्षुर्धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ श्रोत्रं धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ श्रोत्रं धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ मनो धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ मनो धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ वाचं धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ वाचं धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ आत्मानं धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि ॐ आत्मानं धेहि ॐ प्रतिष्ठां धेहि Now feel that experience of wellness throughout your body. Now I'll run the mantras once and you just scan over your body from head to toe as I chant. So close your eyes. Om Ayurdhehi Om Pranandhehi Om Apanandhehi. Om Vyanandhehi. Om Chakshurdhehi. Om Shrotrandhehi. Om Manodhehi. Om Vachandhehi. Om Atmanandhehi. Om Pratishthandhehi. Om Mamdhehi. Om Maidhehi. Which means, let me experience the wellness and let all my people, my family members, friends, the society, and the whole world experience this immense health and wellness. Stay with that experience. Feel that immense health flowing and flooding in our body. Feel that vibrant health as all the processes in our body are functioning at their best. We are in perfect health and wellness. Feel energized to begin our day. Now we can slowly rub your palms and place on your eyes for 3 times. And slowly and gently open your eyes. Thank you. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukhabhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.